Hey everyone, welcome back to Joliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. The past simple. Tense in English is used to describe actions that happened at a specific time in the past. It's one of the most commonly used tenses in English and is essential for talking about past events and experiences. Here's a breakdown of how to use it and some tips. How to use past simple. 1. Regular verbs. For regular verbs, add ed to the base form of the verb. For example, walk becomes walked. I walked to the store yesterday. She watched a movie last night. 2. Irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow a standard pattern and need to be memorized. For example, go becomes went. He went to the park on Saturday. They ate dinner at a new restaurant. 3. Negative form. Use did not, didn't, plus the base form of the verb. She didn't see her friends over the weekend. We didn't travel last summer. 4. Questions. Start with did and use the base form of the verb. Did you enjoy the concert last night? Did they arrive on time? Tips for using past simple. 1. Time expressions. Often, past simple is used with time expressions like yesterday, last week, in 1990, 3 days ago, etc. I visited my grandparents last weekend. 2. Storytelling. Use the past simple when telling a story or recounting events in the order they happened. First, I woke up, then I had breakfast and went to work. If you're enjoying the content, help us reach more people by subscribing and smashing that like button. Your engagement truly makes a difference, so join us on this journey. 3. Completed actions. Use it to express actions that have been completed and are not connected to the present. She finished the book and felt happy about it. Here are 20 examples of sentences using the past simple tense. 1. Regular verbs. I walked to school yesterday. She cooked a delicious meal last night. They watched a movie on Friday. We played soccer over the weekend. He painted his room a bright color. She cleaned her house before the guests arrived. We worked late into the night on the project. The kids played hide and seek in the park. I stayed at a hotel during my trip to New York. He missed the bus this morning. 2. Irregular verbs. She went to a concert last Saturday. I ate Italian food for dinner last night. They drove to the beach for their vacation. He wrote a letter to his friend. We took a lot of pictures on our trip. She read a book about history. I saw a good movie yesterday. He bought a new laptop last week. They flew to Paris for their honeymoon. She sang beautifully at the talent show.